All right, let's cut through all the noise. Today, we're skipping the hype and giving you a straight up 7-day plan to get started with affiliate marketing. And I mean for real beginners, like starting from scratch, zero budget. Okay, let's dive in. You've heard this, right? It's kind of the big, shiny promise of making money online. But is it the real deal or just a bunch of hype? Well, the truth is, it's absolutely real. But it's not magic, it's a system. And today, we're going to build that exact system, step by step. So, what are we really talking about here? At its heart, affiliate marketing is just simple. Think of yourself as a helpful matchmaker. You connect someone who has a problem with a product that solves it. When they buy, you get a commission for making that connection. That's it. No creating products, no shipping boxes, no customer service, just making a helpful connection. Now look, there are a million ways to try and make money on the internet, so why start here? Well, because affiliate marketing is like finding a side door to the whole digital economy. It lets you skip the line and get past some of the biggest hurdles that stop most people before they even start. And this is where it just totally flips the script on traditional business. I mean, think about it. You don't have to spend months creating a product. You don't have to deal with any shipping or returns or angry customers. You can build these little systems that make sales for you 24/7, and you can grow it from a tiny side project into a full-time career, all on your own terms. Okay, I can practically hear you thinking it, but I don't have a fancy computer or I have no idea how to build a website. Let's bust those myths right now, because what you actually need to get started is probably already in your hand. Seriously, let's get this out of the way first. You do not need some crazy powerful laptop or a 3-monitor setup. You just need something that can create some simple content and get online. Your smartphone is more than powerful enough to shoot a quick video, write a post, and manage your links. That's it. Myth busted. And this is where technology has just completely changed the game. The idea that you need to be a coder or some tech genius it's gone. There are free tools out there that let you drag and drop your way to a professional-looking page in a single afternoon. So the focus isn't on your tech skills anymore. It's on your message, which is right where it should be. Okay, so with all those excuses out of the way, let's get to the heart of this thing, the plan. This isn't just theory, okay? This is a timeline. 7 days, 7 actual steps to get you from where you are right now to being live and ready to earn that first commission. So here it is. This is your roadmap for the next week. Take a good look. We start with the foundation, right? Choosing what to talk about and who to talk to. Then we build your little online home. By the middle of the week, you're actually creating stuff. And by the end, you're not just launching, you're learning, you're improving. Every single step builds on the one before it. So let's break down those first crucial days. Okay, days 1, 2, and 3, this is everything. This is your foundation. So on day 1, you pick your niche. And a niche is just a fancy word for a topic you care about. Don't chase what's trendy, pick something you actually enjoy talking about where you can help solve a real problem for people. Then, day 2, you find a product that actually solves that problem. You want to find something you can stand behind, something that's genuinely good. And finally, day 3, you build that simple page, your digital storefront. The goal here is clarity, not a complicated mess. Now, this is important. Before you make a single piece of content, you need to get your mindset right. Your job isn't to be a salesperson. Your job is to be a problem solver. You're here to answer questions, to offer good advice, and to give real value. When you do that, the sale just becomes a natural, easy next step. So don't just shove a link in someone's face. Help them solve a tiny problem first. Day 5 is decision day. And listen, do not try to be everywhere at once. That is a recipe for burnout. The key when you're starting out is focus, not reach. Just pick one platform where your people actually hang out and go all in. Are you giving quick, snappy tips? TikTok's perfect. Do you need to build a lot of trust? A community on Reddit might be the way to go. Go deep on one, not shallow on a bunch. So, looking at this, where does your audience live? All right, let's bring this home. Day 6 is go time. This is the moment where you just have to stop fiddling with things and hit publish. Get it out there. Then on day 7, you put on your detective hat. You're not just counting clicks, you're looking for clues. What posts got the most comments? What questions are people asking you? That feedback, that is pure gold. It tells you exactly what to create next. Okay, so you've got the plan. But now let's talk about the traps. These are the super common mistakes that stop most beginners cold. But the good news is, if you know what they are ahead of time, you can just walk right around them.
This is a classic. You get excited, you find 10 cool products, and you just start throwing links everywhere. And you know what happens? Your audience gets totally confused and overwhelmed, and a confused mind never buys anything.
So the fix is super simple: clarity. Just pick one amazing high-value offer and build all of your helpful content around that single solution. Become the go-to person for that one thing. You know, this might be the most important slide in this entire breakdown. Waiting for the perfect logo, the perfect video, the perfect script. It's not perfectionism, it's just procrastination in disguise. The key is to get your work out into the world. You can always make it better later. Action creates clarity, not the other way around. And here are two more quick ones that honestly separate the folks who make it from those who just spin their wheels. First, do not ignore email. Your social media account is rented land. An email list is something you actually own. And second, for goodness sakes, be a human. Tell your stories, share your personality. People connect with people, not with polished marketing robots. Now, avoiding those mistakes will get you off to a great start. But if you want to build something that actually lasts, we need to zoom out a little. This is all about knowing the difference between the fast wins that get you going and the forever wins that build a real, sustainable business. And this slide says it all. The fast wins, like promoting a free trial or a limited time bonus, those are great. They can get you paid this week. But the forever wins, like building that email list or becoming a trusted voice in your space, that's what creates a business that pays you for years. You need to do both, but you should never sacrifice the long term for a quick buck. So there it is. You have the plan. You have the tools. You know the mistakes to avoid. You literally have everything you need to start this right now. The only question left is, what problem are you actually excited to go solve for people? Start right there, and the rest will follow.